So today I'm going to be talking about 5 key essentials to excel in any sport and hobby that you like. So the very first one that you must always keep in mind is to fall in love with the process. Never do something just for the heck of it. Just make sure any kind of training that you take up, be it yoga, be it exercise, be it pilates, anything that you love and like, just always allow yourself to take at least half an hour of just silly time and just goof around, just so that you can wear that smile throughout the day and make it worthwhile. The second thing that you must remind yourself is that resting is essentially important. If you're not resting well enough, you're not giving your body enough time to recover and to get back on stronger than you were yesterday. Which is why you should never ever feel guilty for the time that you spend lying in bed and resting and recovering your muscles. The third most essential point is that if you're struggling to motivate yourself, and if it's becoming very hard for you to get on and to go to the gym or to hit any of your Pilates studio or be it a yoga studio, then just wear those shoes. Just get yourself back on, listen to great music, and just get yourself in that vibe, where you can get started and get going for the better. Another fourth important point is going to be, whatever you're doing, try to change your identity. Try to become the person that you really want to see yourself as. If you're going out to try and just go for a run, then probably you should think yourself as a runner. If you really want to go out and try another sport, think of yourself as an athlete. The moment your mindset changes is the moment when everything within you changes, and the universe is sure as hell gonna help you accomplish that. So never resist yourself for becoming what you really want to become. The fifth and the last but not the least and the most interesting point is learn your body. If you do not know what your body is telling you, and if you're unable to listen to when it hurts, when it needs the right kind of nutrition, when it really wants you to be working out more, or when you want to push, or when you want to just take a hit and take the day off, if you do not understand all these cues from your body, it is going to take a very big toll on yourself. So always remember that you need to listen to your body if you want to see a healthier, happier, and a very, very fit and sexy you. So take care until then.